Alright, so this is going to be my fourth Whatnot unboxing. I have opened the box, but I haven't dug into it yet. So we're going to do that together and see what I got. If you've never heard of Whatnot before, it's a live auction app. They've got a lot of cool collectible sellers on there. Coins, comic books, Funko Pops, all kinds of cool stuff. And I'm mostly interested in coins. Yeah, so that's what I got. If you guys want to check out Whatnot and get a little bonus for signing up, if you visit coinringmaker.com, there's a button up at the top of the website that says Whatnot $15 credit. And if you tap on that, when you sign up, you get $15 off your first purchase. Alright, give me a second, I gotta get this out of here. There we go. So, start off, we've got a 1886 Morgan, a 1900 Morgan, we got a peace dollar, 1923, and another peace dollar, 1934. I haven't had one of these before, so that's pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to unwrap this one and see what we got in here. So this first one has a really, really cool case. I don't know if you can see that. It says Soul right there at the Olympic rings. And look at this thing. It is just perfect. Incredible silver round from 1987. Really cool. Awesome case. Great pickup. I really, really like the stuff I'm finding on Whatnot. Like, there's some really unique stuff. Like, I'd never seen this before. Y'all ever seen this before? Bicentennial Jefferson. Pretty sure it's 90% silver. Let me see. Doesn't say. I'll figure it out. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. If you guys want to check out Whatnot, like I said, the button on my website will save you 15% off your first purchase. And go follow me on there, because I'm selling stuff too. Have a great day.